Big Block's been working on the Backdraft Cobra. There were some issues here with the previous paint or restoration on the car. Fiberglass issues, you can see. We're going to have to re-fiberglass part of this. We got some tape marks on all the areas that need to be prepped and ready. And we've got a Bronco in from the same owner, which I'll show you later. That's going to be the same paint scheme. So stay tuned, we'll show that Bronco shortly. Well, the Cadil Sedandy looks cleaned up around it. Are you tidying up everything?
I am.
Look at that dash. Where'd all them wires go?
They're gone.
Did you just shove them in there and put the instrument panel back in?
I put electrical tape around them so they wouldn't fall down.
Oh, gotcha. Zip ties?
Yeah, electrical tape and zip ties, but I didn't snip the ends off.
Oh, man.
Did you?
All right, so after you finish all that, we got to get her lifted up. Work. Yeah, you like that feature, don't you?
That's still the coolest thing for 1965.
I like that.
I like that too.
That'd be cool to put in some
I'm gonna put some
other
on
cars.
my bicycle.
On your bicycle?
I'm gonna be able to put something on the bicycle.
Hey, when you get ready, I want to see these. I want to see these blinkers work right here.
Oh, we can.
You got covers for them?
Oh, he's on the back side of it.
Oh, so you can see it. Oh yeah. Oh, this one got a cover to it. Hey, these caddies were ahead of their time, weren't they? With features and all the luxury features and stuff.
Make sure you tell people that those on the fenders are the turn signals that are supposed to be in the dash. It has no turn signal indicators in the gauge cluster.
I didn't know that.
It also does not have hazard lights.
So they're up there too.
It does not have them, period.
Oh, really?
Nope, does not have hazard lights.
It don't have a little button on. Well, he's got.
Nope, does not have a button on the column that you pull out for hazard lights.
Huh.
And like these vacuum power door locks, there's no switch for the door locks.
Well, how's it work?
I don't know. I guess that they put it in there and then it was an option. I don't know. It's got the vacuum canister and the vacuum lines ran to it.
So does it not have power locks on this one?
I don't believe so.
Okay.
It does not have a switch for it.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Let's take a look up underneath the Apache, the Indian Outlaw. Let's go up under. Got some Ride Tech, wheel wood, Schatz wheels, Moser rear end, 370 gear. Got us the Borlas. Oh yeah. 6-speed transmission. 396 Big Block old school. Custom chassis. Oh yeah. All painted up underneath. Actuator. For the bed, I believe.
Who are you talking to over there?
I'm talking to people on the internets.
On the interweb?
Yeah. They getting a look up underneath Oh, Indian Outlaw. So, that's it. We getting a nader today.
They're saying severe storm later.
A squall line.
Squall.
Oh, don't tell Indian all like that. He'll get all worked up if you talking about squall lines.
Sure got her butt up there.
That damn half crazy Mississippi squirrel about to give me a heart attack again this morning.
What our squirrel we got in the shop?
Yeah, I came in the back door yesterday morning, and right when you walked through that door where the water hose is rolled up right there, he was sitting on top of the water hose when I opened the door, and he jumped up the wall scared to ever living hell out of me. He done the exact same thing this morning. It's like he knows. He was waiting on me to walk through that door.
He was
Boy from Louisiana, I thought you'd have grabbed that thing by the neck and then had it for lunch.
He was up there this morning when I got here.
You scared of it?
I can't figure.
I mean, that thing might be a rabbit. He might have a squirrel on him.
Nah, he's hanging up.
There ain't nothing you ain't never ate in Louisiana.
I've ate some pretty weird stuff down there.
Well, I know you probably have.
I've definitely ate stuff you can't get up here.
Tomorrow when you come in, grab it by the neck and kill it.
I come in here with my Red Ryder.
Oh,
shoot
daggum,
it.
we're gonna have PETA after us now. Because I said kill it.
Peter.
PETA, I'm
You the
hungry.
one just said catch it by the neck and kill it.
I know.
It's more humane to shoot it than to choke it like it damn robbed me or something.
Well, we don't want it in the shop no more. It ain't paid its rent. It needs to move on out.
I get rid of it. I'll bring more homeless people. Tell you what, we put car covers on fenders and leave Frida in here one night. She'll catch that damn thing if he hits this floor. Frida will climb up that wall after.
Let's bring Frida.
I will.
Go get Frida and bring her right now. I want to talk to her and play with her for a little while.
You want to talk to Frida?
Yeah, I want to play with the dog this afternoon. Hound dog?
Yeah, you know, just kind of
Got what, 12
she
inch?
can take off
How
running
many-
and stop in front of you, and her body just, her skin just keep moving.
And then she slingslots. Hey, how long were her ears?
When I measured them the other day, her ears were a little over 10.5 inches long.
Dang. You wasn't thinking.
I was thinking. I just wasn't thinking about videoing. I was thinking about painting because I was already about 6 hours behind.
Is that the paint there?
This here is the black. The black, yeah.
The black?
It is the black, yeah.
Glazer at 55 line?
Yeah. We're going to do basic coat, a clear coat. Probably about 6 coats clear.
How many coats of base? Three.
Roughly 3.
So you're gonna be here for a while.
Probably not too long. Gotta get my air conditioning going though. Getting hot already.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como Lomo luxury. I'm a Niger up in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
That goes from this wall to this wall, and the chain fall on rollers on each one of them that we can roll back and forth for stuff like this. We could just pick this straight up, walk it that way, and set it down on the floor. One man could remove this if we had a chain fall.
So essentially, the chain fall pay for itself, is what you're saying.
Except the first time we used it, it would pay for itself, and probably pay for the beam.
beds down.
Yeah, put beds on, pull cabs off. Just one steel beam going from right here all the way to that wall. And then chain fall on rollers where if you're working over there, you can roll it over there. Over here, you can roll it back, roll it in the
That
middle.
one, we only have to go half,
Yeah,
just past halfway because of the lid.
yeah. This one, you just need, well, you'd have to have a cross beam to support that side. But yeah, we need a chain fall in here.
We have one going diagonal.
Yeah, we have one going diagonal, have it going through the paint booth.
I mean,
Just
he's
pay
right.
with
It could pay for itself.
Absolutely
Instead
would.
of three of us
Why don't you go ahead and get us one?
take this off. One person.
I got one. You're going to have to get a beam in here. But
Well, go ahead and get us a beam.
I got a chain fall out donate. You put a beam in.
No, you go ahead and get the beam and get to all that stuff, and then we'll talk about it when it's all done.
I don't know if you can get a damn. How wide is this building? 70 feet?
Well, that's
60.
He says, how about you do it? Then you change the tune and say, well, I don't know if
I
it's
don't-
going to work. or
I don't
not."
know if you can get one single steel beam that long.
Oh, you can get whatever you want. All it costs is money.
You the one with the money.
Uh-uh.
You paying me to be here.
I'm on the coronavirus budget right
You
now.
still living on that $1,200? Hell, I didn't even get
Yeah.
mine.
I ain't got mine yet either. When you go on that website, you send them.
My youngins took mine.
Yep.
What are you doing down here?
What? What are you doing up here?
What?
What are you doing? You come up here looking for another bolt or something?
No, I gotta clean these. I found a special bolt.
You got a sandblaster back there in the block building.
No, I don't.
You do, up against that wall back there, that big one.
It don't work.
It does.
It's out of commission.
Well, carry on. Don't let me interrupt you. We got the Indian Outlaw doing some work for it, getting it ready for upcoming event. We got the Bronco, got it switched over, Holley Sniper EFI on it. Got the roll cage out. Y'all got to see some of these boogered up welds on this thing. I mean that's not even the half of it. So we got to go back through, grind all these welds out and get it right. The Bronco is getting a color change, so comment below on what color you think it should be. And a lot of other stuff going on with the Bronco. We got the carb back in on the Pontiac Star Chief. Tyler's putting it on. Motors in. Little 2-barrel 389. Should be going home in about a week. Hey, Josh, get to work.
I'm getting stuff out the pack.
Zach, good job. Working hard.
You ain't doing shit. Really? I'm using technology. You know anything about it?
Technology.
Yeah, you can do a color chip, right? No.
What does that do?
No, not doing color chip.
Josh is working on the caddy.
New sway bar end links on it. Dropping shit on the floor. Stuff on the floor. Beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Front. All right, yeah, let's go see what new vehicle we just got in. Doing a little repair work. We're gonna follow the big block out here. Nate Dogg, get to work. Big block, good job.
That's right.
It got us a 70 Chevrolet Malibu 350 convertible. Well, she had a little accident and caught on fire. So all that's been fixed, but we're putting a new hood on it, painting it, and what you using, the Dictron 3000 to
Good. Yeah.
to color match it.
That's the name of it.
Color Chip 3000. You have to do that in several spots, and then it comes up with a mixture, a match.
Yeah, you're better off. Some people will do it in the same spot, but if you kind of move it around. Actually, it's better too to do it on various panels.
Yeah, I can see that.
But you do that, put this little handy dandy device, hook her on up to the computer, and then it gives you a match. But the match ain't always perfect, folks. So then we have to go in there and work our magic to make it match. Yeah. That's Creative Rods and Restoration. How you doing? Yes, sir. We can do color match. Yes, sir. We use top of the line paint. We use Glazzer here. Yes, sir. We're very experienced with it. It looks good when it comes out of the booth. Yes, sir. You want to come on down? Bring a wad of cash. We'll be ready for you. See you.
Hey, what model cell phone is that?
This is like, I can talk to anybody with this thing.
You could probably be in the jungle.
President Trump, how you doing, sir? Yes, sir, this is Mr. Chandler. How you doing? Oh, big block, I'm sorry. I know you watch the videos. I'm sorry. I just wanted, you know, I'm on film here on YouTube. People didn't believe me I was talking to you. Here I am. You want to say hello?
Hey, ask him if he wants to bring the Beast down here to get some modifications done to it.
Yeah, you want to bring the Beast down here to get some modifications done? Okay, okay. I know you're busy, sir. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Dang, I didn't know you had the red line to the White House.
I mean, this is another good one. Michael Jackson, how's it going? Yeah! Beat it, baby! See?
You ain't gonna believe this. Check out this Jeep. Professor T laid the black to it. How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? Yes, sir. 79 CJ7 Golden Eagle. We had the big eagle on the hood. Now we'll have to let that hood cure out for 3 or 4 weeks before we even attempt to put that on there and cover it up. Crazy. They trying to distract me out there. So there she is. Black, deep black on the Jeep. That thing is like a mirror. Yes, sir. How y'all doing?
Well, this particular vehicle gets raced a little bit. Got some pretty nice fatties on there. And those fatties come in contact with the bodies. Fatties, bodies sometimes don't equal out to be a very good situation. Huh?
Oh, I think he did run that one into the rail or something.
Okay. Well, anyway, it's a fiberglass car. It busted it. Getting it fixed.
I think you got a phone call.
Hello. Elvis Presley. How you doing, man? Oh, yes, sir. That's right. How's life treating you up there? Pretty good? Real good? Oh, yeah. You making more money now than you did when you was alive. Yeah, just share the love, my friend. Yeah, be good now.
Little fiberglass work there. Fiberglass work. This is another one, folks. This was the sister to that Bronco we saw earlier, painted the same color scheme. And so now they're both going back to the same color scheme, right? What? This one and the Bronco is going back to the same color scheme that we have not released yet what color it is.
Actually, this isn't hers.
It isn't hers, yeah. Same owner. They're going to be painted the same. That's pretty cool. Travis is working on the front spoiler. A little fiberglass work. You got a splitter that goes on that.
Yeah, somewhere. Over there.
A little scraping on the racetrack.
Yes, sir. Road Atlanta.
Road Atlanta. So, if you guys, I tell you what, if you guys get the exact color, and I will tell you, it will be a Ford color If you guys can get the exact color for the Bronco and this Cobra, we'll send you a t-shirt from Creative Rods. So comment below what color it is.
I know what color.
No, you can't play.
Yeah, I gotta get online and do it.
No.
Yes. Get me a new t-shirt.
So
Woo!
you comment below what color. It is a Ford color, so you gotta get the Ford color.
It's all Ford.
You might have to go online and Google them. Both of them are Ford colors.
Actually, 3 colors.
We're just gonna
Main body
we're
color.
gonna give them the main body color right now. So comment below, and the first one that gets it right, the first person I see that gets it right gets a t-shirt. I'll be in contact with you, get your address and all that stuff. And Rob Catlett, you cannot play because you probably already know. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
I'm taking the Star Chief out for test drive this morning. Got a new rebuilt 389, new rebuilt transmission. Gotta go put some gas in her. We ain't got no seatbelts, do we?
It does not have seat belts.
Alright.
Look, it's gonna blow the internet's mind. There's reverse all the way down.
I be dog. That is pretty cool.
I always wondered how they done that in the movies. Something else I noticed in here yesterday that I think is just awesome. You know, on the dash, you've always got your light that indicates when your high and your low beam, when your high beams are on, and light up in the dash. This one is a little Indian head that lights up in the dash.
You kidding?
I can't see it because of sunlight.
Right there, middle of the dash, a little Indian
Yep,
head.
it's got a little Indian head on it.
That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
I mean, the interior of this car is really, really nice.
It is.
I mean, the dash,
Perfect.
little Super Deluxe radio works on the AM. We got an NPR and a Hispanic station.
Yeah. Plays NPR and Spanish stations.
Delco. Got a little heater controls there. I like that reverse way down there.
Oh yeah, that blew my mind. Because I'm used to pull it down one click and there's reverse. I pulled it down one click and it didn't move. I thought something was wrong with it.
We got a report. We got mileage. Does the odometer work?
I believe
Yeah.
so, yeah. 9,834 miles. I wonder,
Very smooth.
it's like riding a couch down the road.
We're putting a non-ethanol 93 in her.
They like them.
It's always best if you can find a station that carries it. A little more expensive, but it's better for these older motors.
It's cheaper than the gas I put in it earlier.
Oh yeah?
When I went to the little corner gas station and I put that 15 gallons or $15.93 in there, it was $2.99 a gallon.
What's this?
$2.19.
Dang, it is cheaper. Well, the gas station was right at the bottom of Paris Mountain. So Josh and I are taking a nice leisurely luxury trip and taking in some scenery up and over Paris Mountain. You got a problem,
What I got a problem?
a toolbox problem.
No. Not no more. I solved it.
These guys around this shop trade toolboxes like I traded girlfriends when I was younger.
You think you traded that many?
I don't know, cause
Does your wife know?
that's before her time. It don't involve her. It don't involve her. I didn't know her at that time.
Yeah, well, you got a point.
So this is Travis's new toolbox that has been painted. Yes, he has painted it. Yesterday he painted his freaking toolbox.
Hey, y'all want to check it out from the front?
And listen, this is Travis's old toolbox, which Tyler has now got.
Tyler, you have a toolbox problem.
And
I wouldn't have got this one if you
this
didn't get that one.
toolbox was a different color yesterday.
What do
And
y'all think? Army green is what it was.
Army green. Now he's got it Glazer gray. And where's the next toolbox at? Josh, you ain't got no toolbox problem. I'm telling you that right now. You ain't got no. This one that was paid for. Okay, I got you. So now this is Tyler's old toolbox. That's probably maybe a month too old.
How old is that? Month? Yeah.
Month old.
Less than 2. More
So
than
and you had this one for how long? Same time? Month two?
See,
about 3 months.
I screwed up when I went to that toolbox though, because
Too small?
I actually lost a drawer, and it was smaller than my other one by a little bit. So I really didn't gain nothing by going to that one.
But he
I should have just
upgraded.
waited. Yes, I upgraded quality. My old toolbox was like the cheap version, and that one's kind of like higher version.
So now
But look what he's got.
now he's got a new one. And Travis has got a new one.
Until the next.
Until
They
Bryce
do have one bigger.
until Bryce sells you another one.
Until Bryce comes up with another great deal.
Well, I can tell you, Bryce is gonna want this one back.
Bryce, it's for sale, but it's gonna cost us, buddy.
Well, it's got a $5,000 paint job on it now.
Damn right.
Look at that. I
Screw your stainless
let's see.
stop back on.
Gray's hard to reflect, but there you go.
Hey. Thanks for watching Shop Walk 73 here at Creative Rods. We appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the little bell every time we upload a new video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. Our videos are posted every Friday at 7 p.m. We'll see you next week.